Find any three grouped black keys, and just as we did to find C, play the white key just before the first black key. So, three grouped black keys, play the white key just before. This is the note F. Remember that there is only middle C, so even though you can play an F, which is near the middle of the keyboard, it's still just called the note F and not middle F. Okay, let's find another F. Three grouped black keys, and then play the white key just before we have the note F. Let's do it again. Three grouped black keys, white key just before, here's another F. Now start from the bottom of the piano and find all the F notes going up the keyboard. So, three grouped black keys, white key just before, the note F. Three grouped black keys, white key just before, the note F. Three grouped black keys, white key just before, the note F. Three grouped black keys, white key just before, the note F. Three grouped black keys, white key just before, the note F. Three grouped black keys, white key just before, the note F. And finally, three grouped black keys, white key just before, the note F. Now do it the opposite way. Three grouped black keys, F. Three grouped black keys, the note F. Three grouped black keys, F. Three grouped black keys, F. Three grouped black keys, the note F. Three grouped black keys, the note F. Three grouped black keys, the note F. Now that we know how to find both C and F on the keyboard, we can easily find all of the other notes.